Hello everyone, welcome to Java Code Threads. Today we are going to solve a fizzbuzz problem in Java. Here is the problem statement. Given an integer number, based on that we are returning string array or the string list. The problem statement is, if my number is divisible by 3 and 5, then I have to return string as a fizzbuzz. And if my number is divisible by only 3, then I have to return string as a fizz. And if my number is divisible by only 5, then I have to return string as a buzz. So here 3 examples are given. In the first example, input is given as a 3. So we are printing till this element 3. So each element we need to check. In the first element, 1 is divisible by 3 or 5. No, correct? So we are keeping as it is. Similarly, for 2 is not divisible by 3 or 5. So we are keeping as it is. But 3 is divisible by 3, not 5. So we are keeping string as a phase. In example number 2, you can see like 4 is not divisible by 3 and 5. So we are keeping as it is. And number 5 is divisible by 5, not 3. So we are keeping string as a buzz. In the example number 3, we are given input as a 15. So we are printing the list till the 15th element. The 14th element is not divisible by 3 and 5. So we are keeping as it is. And 15th element is divisible by both, correct? 3 and 5. So we are keeping string as a phase buzz. So here is the solution class is given. In the solution class, there is one method which is returning a list of strings, correct? So we are just copying and try to solve this problem in our IDE. So I'm pasting that method and importing this string. So I'm creating a variable of a string. List. List is the interface. So based on implementation classes of the list, we are creating object. So I'm creating object for the array list. So n is our input element. So we need to iterate or print the element till this number. So I'm using the traditional for loop for to iterating purpose. I is equal to 1 and I'm iterating till this element and I plus plus. Okay. So in the return statement, I have to return the list. In the for loop, if my current element means I, which is divisible by 3, and if my number is divisible by 5, then I have to add or return the fizzbuzz string, correct? So I'm adding fizzbuzz as a string. And similarly, if my current number is divisible by only 3, then I have to return or add fizz as a string, correct? And if my number is divisible by 5, then I have to return buzz as a string, correct? So if my number is other than that, means like not divisible by 3 or 5, then I have to keep as it is that number, correct? For that purpose, I'm adding the same number as I, correct? But here problem is we are using the string list, correct? So we need to convert that integer into the string. So string dot value of the method is okay. Now we are done with our solutions. Let's try to test it. See out. So for simplicity purpose, I'm making this method as a static. So phase pass. So let's pass input as a 3 first. Let's check the output. Yes, we got output for example number 1. Let's check for element 5. Oh yes, we also got for solution for example number 2. Let's check for example number 3. Yeah, here is the output. Yeah, we got the output as a fizzbuzz for the 15th element. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.